Hi, it's Laura, and today I wanted to show you something that we were gifted, and I'm so excited about it. It is a 10-in-1 steam cleaner. So I don't know what all 10 of the items are that it can do, but I know what I will be cleaning. Everything, just everything. Check this out. It comes with all kinds of attachments. So things to get in hard to get places, little scrubbers for grout and shower things. Oh my gosh, I am just so excited. We're gonna be doing the microwave, the sink, and the toilet, the shower, and my husband is changing the brakes outside, and he even said to bring it out there to do the little wheelie hubcappy thingamabobbers. So it comes with all these attachments. It has over 9 feet of cord, so it is a plug-in. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. This will actually get the curtains unwrinkly. I'm sure we can do it for dress clothes too, but I'm, too lazy to actually iron. I love this one also. This is the one I'm gonna use outside for his tire thing. Comes with your own measuring cup here, so it tells you exactly how far to fill it up, so you know exactly where to stop. Now, it doesn't say to use distilled water, but we have used distilled in some of our older ones, and it keeps the grime and stuff away. So if you have hard water, you're not gonna have to clean this bad boy as often if you use distilled water. See how long it is? All right, let's see what else it comes with. Oh, a little funnel to make it easy to pour in the water in here. Oh, it's not a shower cap, guys. It's a thing so you can do like furniture and stuff. I love it. One last thing. Oh, yes, I forgot about this. It does windows and mirrors as well. So goodbye hard water stains in your shower. It also comes with a great manual step by step. It tells you. Now you do have some things to be careful of. So before we fill it up with water, I'll show you. So this little knob right here, so it comes off and you're gonna pour your water right in there. Do not plug it in yet. So you're gonna pour your water in there, then screw this on nice and tightly, and then you're gonna plug it in. It takes about 3 minutes to heat it up. There's gonna be a little red light on the container, and it will go off when it is ready to use. I'm gonna go fill it up and we're gonna see what we can clean. The first thing we're gonna clean is the microwave. Now the light is turned off, so that means it's ready to go. Here is the nozzle, and here is the button that you push. It says it'll run for approximately 10 minutes, which will give you, obviously it's not gonna take 10 minutes to do a microwave, but like you can do your shower, your whole kitchen area, but let's start here. So first you're gonna wanna be very careful because it is steam, so it is very hot, and it's gonna come out at a force that could actually burn you. You're gonna wanna watch this cap to make sure you have it screwed on really tight so you're not gonna get any bursts of air out of there. So do a test run, maybe not by your face. So you push up on this little knob here, push it forward and then down. And here comes the steam, if you can see it. What it does is it gets it all loosened up. So the grime and grease that's stuck on, it gets it all loose up. It doesn't make it go away. So you're obviously gonna have to have a rag nearby to wipe it clean, which there it did in just one fell swoop. Let's see, can you see how greasy and grimy it is on the top? Push it forward, push it down. Let's blast this bad boy. Now it doesn't look like it's getting anything loose, but as you can tell, when you do it with the rag, it just removes it right away. So let me finish up this microwave and we'll move on to the next project. Okay, welcome to my little shower. Now, we have glass doors in here that get all that soap scum on there, and you have to keep up with it all the time. So we are gonna try this out on it. But what I wanted to tell you before we went any farther, all the attachments slip into place and then you turn them to lock, and you can actually hear the lock get connected so you know that it is on tight. Now I'm gonna close this and see if it works. Okay, it had major buildup on there. I guess I wasn't doing so good at cleaning these off, but look how clear it is now. Let me show you. This compared to this. Oh my goodness, this is gonna become addicting. Let's go outside and see what we can do out there. Okay, now we have finished the microwave, we have finished the shower doors, and I still have some left to do these tires that he wanted me to do. Rims, tires, I don't know, whatever he's doing. Okay, so now I told you how you had to screw it on into place. Now to take it off, all you do is go in reverse. So you just twist it towards you and it pops right off. We have that attachment off. Let's put this nifty one on. So you pop it into place, turn it away from you, and it's locked into place. Here we go. Remember, slide your button forward, press it down. Steam comes. And we're able to get to work. Oh yes, it's dirty. So it has a lot of brake dust on there. He just wanted me to get that off. Wipe off a section, and then you could dust it right off. With ease, nonetheless. So now we're gonna finish it up and be done. I think it is finally getting to the bottom of the well of steam. That's not too shabby for doing all that we've done so far. So, if you are looking for a great steamer, this is definitely one that I would choose.